Hello everyone, we have this revision from Programming Without Coding Technology, and it comes with the FlappyBird3000 game and many samples using RayLib game programming library. To run these samples, we will go to project files and we will open FlappyBird3000 like this. When we open the visual source file, we can see the steps. This game uses Ring game engine, and it started by creating a new game object, and then we have inside some loop like a background image and some text and so on. We can read the steps step by step from the beginning like this. It starts with some comments defining a global variable, and then the game create a main function after loading the library, create an object, a while loop, and so on. I'm not going to explain this game for now, but I will just try to run it and see if it works. So we have now the game. Work using the mouse or using the keyboard. We press space to move up like this. We win if we get a score equal to 3000. I will try to win. I think this is simple. We can win. Maybe not. We have also many samples here, like using RayLib, the new samples. At first, we start with an example for creating the basic window, as we can see here, using appearance like this. So this library starts by loading RayLib and set the screen width and screen height, create our window like this, and then determine the frames per second and starts a while loop, begin draw, and here we have end drawing. Inside this we clear the background, we draw some text. This library is very simple. You can understand it by just checking the examples. This example create your first window. We can try to modify this, like select this step, copy and paste, and modify it to write something like I love programming, but I need to keep the other parameters. So I will write here I love programming, and I will change this like this. Now we run and I see this message. Simple. We have another example that get input from the keyboard. We can run it, and now we can move this. Another example that get input from the mouse like that. We click, right click or left click. We have a 3D camera example, and here in this example we can get some text. We can zoom in and zoom out. We can have some options by pressing Z. Okay, we have here the mouse wheel test. We can move this up and down using the mouse wheel. We have this example for input multi-touch, and this one for the first person camera like this. Okay, this example for picking an object in the 3D world have simple steps actually. And we have another example here. This one for some input like this. Okay, These are the core examples. It's more about getting input from the keyboard or the mouse, having a basic window, and so on. We have some model examples. We can run this, and we see this model. Looks nice. It displays the library name. And this is a first-person maze. We can move inside it like this and try to find our way. This let me remember old games like Doom. We just need a gun and we can start playing. Okay, here is another example about perspective and another one about plane rotations. We can run this. Looks nice, you know. We have this plane, we can rotate it. Very nice. It's about loading a model. And now we have shapes. Basic shapes. We can draw circles, rectangles. We have this drawing example where we can see like some GUI controls like this, and this one. This is beautiful, you know. This example for the collision, you can test for collisions. Here we have a following eyes. We move the mouse and we see an eyes like this. Here we get many colors. This example about scaling like this. This one is about drawing like this. Looks nice. I like it. A bouncing ball. This is a popular example, you know. Drawing circle. Okay, nice. It's like a chart, you know. Or maybe someone will create Pac-Man using this. This is animation about the logo. Okay. It have many steps, you know. We have here texture. We can draw images. And we have here image generation, where we can see different things. And here we have texture source. We rotate an image, you know. Okay, we have here also sound examples like music. We can stop this. This is nice. Okay, and we have here another one. To play different types of files. And we have here more examples. This one about displaying for screen. This about two cubes and selecting them. This about like simple puzzle. And this one is about levels of cubes like this. We move, we can return. This is nice, you know. And this one is about waving cubes like this. And we have sample to jump. And this one in 3D looks nice. Okay. An animation. It can jump, it can move like this. Okay. And this one too. So we have seen some examples together about using RayLib game programming library. If you want to learn about game programming using the traditional way of controlling everything, this library is very powerful and simple. It provides many useful functions. Thank you very much and goodbye.